Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, I am going to show guys iqoo mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to set up face lock in iqoo mobile. Friends, you want to set up face lock, you want to use iqoo mobile face lock settings. So friends, now let's see how to use face lock setting one by one and step by step we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, open your device phone setting. After turning on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your iqoo mobile. Friends, in your iqoo mobile, how to set up face lock, how to use face lock setting. Open your device mobile security and password setting. Find my device security update. You can check device security setting you can use in your iqoo mobile. Open your phone face lock setting. Choose your backup screen lock method, face unlock plus pattern, face unlock plus pin, and face unlock plus password. So friends, I will use face unlock plus pattern. And friends, draw pattern for face lock setting and remember your password. If you forget your password, you will have to erase all data. Confirm. After confirm friends, click here done option, start option, and friends, you can start face lock in your iqoo mobile. You can use face lock setting in iqoo mobile. Click here start option, show your face, and you can start face lock and you can use in your iqoo mobile. After show face when face lock will set up, and now you can use face lock setting in iqoo mobile. Off your screen. You want to unlock iqoo mobile, so friends, you can unlock your iqoo mobile with your face lock. Show your face, your phone will unlock automatic. And friends, if you draw pattern, your phone will unlock. So friends, I will show my face and phone will unlock automatic. Off your screen. Again show your face, phone will unlock automatic. Off your screen, don't show your face, swipe here, draw pattern, phone will unlock. Like that friends, you can use iqoo mobile face lock setting. You can set up face lock and you can use face lock setting in iqoo mobile. So you can unlock your mobile with your pattern and you can unlock your mobile with face lock. Again scroll down here and friends, open your device security setting. Open your phone face lock setting. Enter your face lock password, your lock screen password, and you have pattern lock, draw pattern. Friends, you want to use face lock on your privacy password setting, so you will have to turn on first privacy password, then you can use it. And friends, if you click your screen lock setting, you want to change your password, so you can change password. You want to unlock your mobile with face lock plus pin, so you can set pin. You want to unlock iqoo mobile face lock plus password, name password lock, alpha number password you want to use, so you can use. And friends, if you remove your password, so friends, you can check your face model will delete automatic permanently in your iqoo mobile. Friends, again you want to use face lock setting, first you will have to set lock screen password. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video.